Many people ask me, what is the treatment of snoring? Is there any particular medicine? Sadly, no. There is no magical pill to treat snoring because snoring is a multifactorial problem. So, if a person has obesity, if there is hypothyroidism, or there is a habit of going to bed when the person is very tired, bad lifestyle, all this can lead to snoring. And mind it that snoring needs treatment. It's a silent killer. A bad kind of snoring is scientifically termed as obstructive sleep apnea. So, if you snore loudly every night and feel choking spells in the middle of the night, if you get up in the morning feeling tired and you have a dullness all throughout the day, probably you are suffering from obstructive sleep apnea, which needs proper assessment by a ENT surgeon.